everyone! Welcome back to Viet Flavours, where we bring the bold and authentic tastes of Vietnam right to your kitchen. Today we're making something truly special: Vietnamese fermented anchovy dipping sauce. Now, I know what you're thinking. Fermented anchovy sauce? It might sound intimidating, but trust me, this sauce is a game changer. It's bold, it's flavorful, and it's the perfect companion to dishes like fresh spring rolls or Vietnamese 7-course beef. So, let's get started. Here's what you'll need: 60 milliliters of fermented fish sauce. This is the star of the show. I'm using Saigon fermented anchovy fish sauce, which you can find in almost any Asian supermarket. But don't worry, you're welcome to use any brand you like. 1 tablespoon of finely minced garlic. 2 tablespoons of crushed pineapples for a touch of sweetness and balance. Half a tablespoon of sugar. 1 tablespoon of lime juice for that zesty kick. And 2 fresh Thai chilies, finely chopped, for a bit of heat. If you want to add an extra layer of flavor, you can also use 1 tablespoon of lemongrass stir-in paste. Totally optional, but highly recommended. All right, let's start cooking. Heat a small skillet over medium heat and add a little bit of oil. Once the oil is hot, toss in the minced garlic. Sauté it until it's fragrant. That smell is already amazing. Next, we're going to add the fermented fish sauce. Crushed pineapples. Lime juice. Sugar. And that optional lemongrass paste if you're using it. Give it a good stir to combine everything. Now, if you like your sauce a little thinner, more like a soup, you can add some water at this stage. Just a splash or two will do. Once it's the consistency you like, give it a taste and adjust the sweetness or sourness to your preference. Remember, cooking is all about making it your own. Once everything is mixed and balanced, bring the sauce to a gentle boil. As soon as it starts bubbling, turn off the heat. You don't want to overcook it, just enough to bring all those flavors together. Now, transfer your sauce to a serving dish and sprinkle the fresh Thai chilies on top. And there you have it. Your Vietnamese fermented anchovy dipping sauce is ready to serve. This sauce is best enjoyed warm, and it pairs beautifully with so many dishes. Whether you're dipping fresh spring rolls or drizzling it over grilled meats, this sauce is sure to take your meal to the next level. Thanks for joining me today on Viet Flavours. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a taste of Vietnam. See you next time.